campers and friends, please join me for another solo camping trip. In this video, we are going to be spending 3 days and 2 nights at one of my favorite campsites. I'm also going to attempt to cook bulalo at camp and tick this off the bucket list. It's a new moon in the calendar, and we are going on a date with the stars and capture images of the Milky Way. Let's go camping. Medyo umambon on my way to the campsite, which got me worried about my plans for the night.
Ibang walang stars tonight
Pagdating ko ng Viewscape, the management were plotting individual lots for car campers. Shared some insight from a car camper's perspective and wished them well.
Subukan ko yung atras dito. Tingnan natin yung space.
After that quick chat with Viewscape management, I went ahead and set up camp.
Maglalagay din kayo ng linya dito.
Hindi na po, ewan ko lang po rito. Sabi raw nila parang 50 slots daw dito.
Pero yung focus nyo muna doon muna sa house. Sige yung maguloy kasi may mga sasakyan.
Kaya niya, nasa rin.
Oo, kaya nga.
Sabi mo na ako doon sa
Sige ba? Okay.
I finally got to set up camp as the sky starts to burn and turn orange. I'm still using my old power banks with white LED lights. I'm already looking into camping lanterns to make the ambiance cozier when I'm camping. After having dinner, I went to sleep for a couple of hours and woke up for this. As I watched the sunrise, I felt grateful that I get to spend this entire day camping. I used to hike mountains about 10 years ago, and I never really realized how much I missed that feeling of waking up and having breakfast at camp until I got into car camping. to make more car camping content, but I would need your support as well. So if you enjoy my videos, please click on the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Each of you means a lot, and I truly appreciate you all for watching. Now, it's almost lunchtime, and it's time to cook bulalo. I need to run the pressure cooker for at least an hour to make sure the beef is tender. I really wanted to do this sa Viewscape so I can say nagluto ako ng bulalo sa bundok. The wait begins. After an hour and a half, it's done. It's time to dig in. Oras na para humigop ng sabaw ng bulalo. Now, there's always room for dessert. Later that Friday afternoon, the campsite was starting to get busy as more campers arrive for the weekend. For tonight, I'm having chicken inasal, so I brought out the folding grill to start the campfire early. This bundle of wood you can buy on site for 250 pesos. Look at the fire. Look at the fire. After checking in with the wife and kids, it was time to prepare dinner. Yep, All I do is eat. When the fire is ready, I put the charcoal briquettes on top. I prefer using charcoal when grilling. You'll achieve better results than using only wood. Kapag may baga na, I spread them out and put on the grill. Cajun rice, chicken in asal, and cabbage with oyster sauce. I enjoy sitting by a campfire when camping. That's how I like to pass time at night, by tending the wood to keep the fire burning. If you are the same, please have a folding grill with you, and let's avoid lighting fire on grass. After dinner, I took a nap for a couple of hours again and woke up to the sight of clouds rolling in. So I patiently waited and waited for this. As dawn breaks on my third day at camp and already deprived of sleep by choice, I just can't help but be thankful for the times I get to spend out camping. And after the sun rose behind the mountains of Sierra Madre, I was already looking forward to the drive home and be with the wife and kids for lunch. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next camp.